Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we take you on a journey to explore the fascinating world of computers. Today, we'll be diving into the key components that make up these incredible machines. First up, we have the CPU, or Central Processing Unit. It's often referred to as the brain of the computer, as it performs most of the calculations and executes instructions. Next, we have RAM, or Random Access Memory. RAM stores data that the CPU needs to access quickly, allowing for faster and more efficient multitasking. The motherboard acts as the central hub, connecting all the components together. It provides power, data transfer, and communication between various parts of the computer. Moving on to storage, we have the hard drive or SSD. These components store your operating system, applications, and files, providing long-term storage for your data. For all the gamers out there, the graphics card is a crucial component. It handles complex calculations to render high-quality graphics and visuals in games and other multimedia applications. The Power Supply Unit, or PSU, is responsible for supplying electrical power to all the components. It ensures a stable and consistent flow of power to keep your computer running smoothly. Let's not forget about cooling. Computers generate a lot of heat, and a cooling system, including fans or liquid cooling, helps to dissipate that heat, preventing overheating and maintaining optimal performance. Lastly, we have peripherals. These include devices like keyboards, mice, and monitors, which allow us to interact with the computer and get the most out of its capabilities. And there you have it, the key components that make up a computer. Each part plays a crucial role in ensuring your computer runs smoothly and efficiently. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of computer components. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time.